Welcome to the next session of this course, which is the birth and the destiny number. Here I'm going to tell you and I will make you understand how to calculate your birth number and your destiny number. So, the name itself suggests the birth number talks about your personality. It talks about how other people look at you, how they see you, what are your characteristics, how is your personality type. So birth number tells about your personality. It tells you about you, yourself. And the destiny number, as the name itself suggests, the destiny number is about the destiny. It tells where you are going to go in your future life, as in a career, as in a personality, where your success is, where your destiny is going to take you in the future. So, one thing you have to remember that birth number is a person and destiny number is a kind of a guide. The guide tells the person, the guide guides the person, and this person travels, or you know it's like a journey they do. As in, what I'm trying to say, like, there is a very um, driver and a conductor thing we can see, or you can just assume that you are riding a vehicle and there is a person behind sitting back on you, and you do not know where you have to reach, you do not know your destination. And the person that he is sitting behind you on the same vehicle, that person knows the path. So destiny is the path, and your guide who will guide you where to move, where to take the turns, where to be slow, where to be speedy. So it's a kind of a guide, uh, pathway. It is a kind of a guide to you. uh, Birth number is active until 30 to 35 years. Like, they both have their own power, like it gets activated. So until the year of 30 to 35, until your age is 30 to 35, birth number is activated. And once 35 or somewhere around that age is passed, your destiny number takes the charge of your life, and it rules your life overall. So you will resonate when you will calculate your birth number and your destiny number. If you fall under the age of 30 to 35, you are more likely to connect with the birth number. And if you are above 30 to 35, you are more likely to connect with your destiny number. So this is what I am going to explain, what the birth number is and what the destiny number is, and how to calculate your own birth number and destiny number. Now the birth number. Let's suppose there is a date of birth, this is the date of birth, 9 December 1956. So how we have to add is, for adding the birth number, just take it very slowly, if since you are very new to this course. So we will only take the date. We will not consider the month of the date of birth, we will not consider the year of the date of birth. We will only take the date on which date you are born. So let's suppose you are born on 9. So 0 plus 9 gives 9. So 9 is your birth number. Let's take another example. Suppose your full date of birth is 29 October 1956. We will not consider the month, we will not consider the year, we will only consider the date. So here 29 is the date of birth. We will individually add these numbers. 2 plus 9 gives 9 plus 2 gives 11. Again the two digit number came. We will again add 1 plus 1 and it gives 2. So what is the birth number? The birth number is now 2. I hope this explains. Now, how to calculate your destiny number? Did you remember that in the birth number we will not consider the month, we will not consider the year, but in destiny number we will consider the date, we will consider the month and the year also. So, we have to add up the entire date of birth. So, 9, 1, 2, 1, 9, 5, and 6. We will add up all the number, it comes to 33. 33 will be further added. So 3 plus 3 gives 6. So 6 is the destiny number. Let's take another example. I guess this is this. Okay. So now here the date of birth is this. So what we will do? We will again take the entire birth. 2, 9, 1, 0, 1, 9, 5 and 6. So you will add up all the digits that are coming up in your date of birth, your full date of birth. So 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. It comes to 33 and it will give destiny number as 6. And here also you can see the it is just a by chance. Now let's say we are taking another date of birth. Let's suppose if the date of birth of a person is 2. Let's suppose, let me take something nice date of birth to get you the clarity. Let's suppose person's date of birth is 09/2004. So if there are so many zeros also, because adding up zero is not required, because it adds up to the and gives the same number. So we can do in this way also. You can omit the zero numbers and you will take the numbers here. So 2, 9, 2 and 4. Now you can add it. 9 plus 2 gives 11, 12 and 13, and plus 4 gives 17. Further we will add 1 and 7. 1 plus 7 gives 8. So 8 is the destiny number. And what is the birth number? The birth number is 2. Now here there is one short trick I want to give it to you before I move on to the. So now I will tell you a very beautiful trick that will make the calculation very easier for you, because you need to be very quick while adding up the numbers. So sometimes when we have a very complicated dates, let's suppose your date of birth is 9 September 1999. So this is too long to calculate. So what you can do is you can cut these nines. You won't count and you will just count the rest of the numbers. So it will 1. So your destiny number will be 1. Let's take another example. Suppose the date of birth is 9 August 1981. Let's take it this way. So you will cut the 9 and you will add up rest of the numbers. This is just a tip I am giving you to do the calculations easily, because whenever we add up any number to the, let's suppose if we are adding 5 plus 9, so what it will give? It will give 14 and it will bring 5. So number, if we add 9 number to any number, it gives the same number. So what is the need of adding 9 in the calculation? So that is the reason why I'm asking you, or why I'm telling you to not consider 9, because it will give you the number whatever you will add. So now you will add the rest of the numbers. 8 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. Wow. How much it comes to? 8 plus 1 9, 10 and 18. We will further add it. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. So 9 is the destiny number. So now you have understood what is the birth number and what is the destiny number. Now we will talk about in the next video about how to make your own Losho chart. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.